This is the part 2 of the video series on properties of perfect squares or square numbers. We have two tables here, and we have one column we have numbers, and in the second column, that is opposite to it, we have their squares. So the square of 1 is 1, of 2 is 4, of 3 is 9, so on and so forth, and same thing here. Right, now look at this number, that is 1, and look at this number 9. What's the square of 1? It is 1. What's the square of 9? It is 81. Now concentrate on the unit place. In this, since this is a single digit number, therefore it has only units place. So at the units place you have 1. In this case, at the units place you have 1. Now again, look at this number, that is 11, and look at this number 19. Focus on that. So the units place in this number, the square of 11 has 1 at its units place, and the square of 19 is 361. It has 1 at its units place. Right? Now let's take one more table. The square of 21 is 441, and the square of 29 is 841. So 21, 29, their squares have 1 at the units place, and even in this case you have 1 at the units place. It means that if your number ends with 1 or 9, that is, if your number has 1 or 9 at its units place, like in these cases 1, 9, 1, 9, 1, 9, then their perfect squares or square numbers will end with 1 only, like 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, and even in this case you have 1. So if your number, let's say your number is like some number you have here, right, and it finally ends with 1, right? Let's take some real numbers. Let's say your number is 10098 and 9. So if you're asked that the perfect square or the square number of this number, what will be at its units place, the answer will be that we don't know about the numbers, the digits at the other places, but at the units place you are going to surely have 1. This is the units place. Same thing if your number is 9870161. What will be the digit at the units place? Your answer should be, we don't know about the other places, but at the units place you'll have 1 only.